Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the MERN Stack, one of the most popular tech stack for building modern web application. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to switch to full stack development, this video will give you a clear roadmap to learn MERN Stack development from scratch. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to start, what to learn, and how to build your first MERN Stack project. Let's get started. This technology allows you to build full stack web application entirely using JavaScript. That's right, one language to rule them all. So why should you learn the MERN Stack? Here are a few reasons. It's highly in demand. Companies are looking for MERN Stack developers. It's versatile. You can build anything from simple app to complex scalable system. It's beginner friendly. If you already know JavaScript, you are halfway there. It's open source and has a huge community, so you will always find support and resources. Now let's dive into the step-by-step roadmap to learn MERN Stack development. I will break it down into the clear steps so you know exactly what to learn and in what order. These fundamentals are essential for jumping into the MERN Stack. Since the MERN Stack is JavaScript based, you need to be comfortable with both the basic and advanced concept of JavaScript. Once you are comfortable with JavaScript, it's time to move to the backend. Node.js and Express.js will help you build the server side of your application. MongoDB is a NoSQL database, which means it's a flexible and easy to work with. You will use it to store all your application data. React is the star of the frontend. It's powerful, efficient, and make building user interface a breeze. The best way to solidify your skill is by building a project. Start small and gradually take on more complex app as you gain confidence. Here are a few tips to help you succeed. Practice constantly. Coding is a skill that improves with practice. Build projects. They are the best way to learn and showcase your skill. Join communities. Forums like Reddit, Discord, or Stack Overflow can be incredibly helpful. Don't give up. Learn to code can be challenging, but it's worth it. And that's it. You now have a complete roadmap to learn MERN Stack development from scratch. Remember, the key is to take it one step at a time and keep practicing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Also, drop a comment below if you have any question or if there is a specific topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.